Here are some of the ingredients we're going to use to make our curry shrimp. This is more of a Caribbean style than an Indian style. We're going to add some olive oil to a hot pan. Add onion, pepper, and scotch bonnet to a pan. Give it a good mix, and we want to cook that down for 5 minutes until tender. Add in some minced garlic, and we want to stir that and cook that for an additional minute. Add in curry powder, ground ginger, and dry thyme. Mix it and let it cook for 1 minute. Next, add in a can of coconut milk. Mix it all together so that the seasonings combine with the coconut milk. Bring to a boil and let it cook for 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add in the shrimp, then mix it together so that they're all well coated with the sauce. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally till the shrimp are opaque and done. Full recipe is linked in the description. Eat and enjoy!